Join me as I challenge myself to improve my English speaking skills using modal verbs in just 1 week. Modal verbs are a crucial part of the English language, and mastering them can significantly enhance your communication skills. They help express degrees of possibility, ability, and obligation, making your speech more precise and engaging. One of the biggest hurdles learners face when it comes to modal verbs is understanding their meanings and how to use them correctly in different contexts. For instance, can and could are often confused, but they have distinct uses. The modal verb can is used to express ability or capability, whereas could is often used to talk about past abilities or to make requests. Another challenge is knowing when to use modal verbs like should versus must. Should is used for advice or recommendations, while must expresses necessity or obligation. There are several types of modal verbs in English, each with its own function. The verbs can, could, may, and might are used to express possibility. For example, I can attend the meeting shows ability, while it might rain today expresses possibility. Modal verbs like should, ought to, and must are used to express obligation or advice. They help convey what is necessary, recommended, or required in a given situation. Let me share an example that illustrates the power of mastering modal verbs. Imagine you're discussing travel plans with a friend. You can say, "You should try visiting Paris in the spring to give advice." Alternatively, you might say, "You must try the croissants" to express a strong recommendation. Using modal verbs effectively in conversations like this can make your speech sound more natural and fluent. It can also help you convey your ideas more clearly and accurately. In summary, modal verbs play a vital role in improving your English speaking skills. By understanding their meanings and usage, you can express yourself more effectively and enhance your communication. If you've had any interesting experiences with modal verbs, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my next video where I'll share some practical speaking exercises to help you put your knowledge into practice.